Kia ora and whakaloflai atu. Welcome to the course advice presentation for the Faculty of Engineering and Design. My name is Morgan and I am from the Schools and Community Engagement team embedded in the Faculty of Engineering and Design here at Waipapa Taumata, the University of Auckland. Pictured here is our beautiful city campus located in the heart of Auckland City, including our state-of-the-art engineering and design and architecture and planning buildings. You'll spend most of your undergraduate studies here on this campus. As a future student, you may be curious to know more about the undergraduate program you are potentially studying in 2026. In this video presentation, we'll provide insights into undergraduate study in engineering and design, as well as your first year course structure here at Waipapa. Fun fact, engineering here at Waipapa actually started as a school housed in a tin shed on Alfred Street in the early 1900s, with only 20 to 30 students. This year we welcomed the design program as well as the School of Architecture and Planning to our faculty over from the former Faculty of Creative Arts and Industries. So, our faculty now brings together the disciplines of architecture, urban planning, design, and engineering. From our humble beginnings, our faculty has grown to have over 5,000 students, and we are New Zealand's leading tertiary provider for engineering, architecture, and the built environment. At the undergraduate level, we offer the Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Bachelor of Architectural Studies, Bachelor of Urban Planning Honours, and the Bachelor of Design. Before we move forward, let's cover some of the common words that you may be unfamiliar with. The word undergraduate. You might hear someone say undergraduate programs, undergraduate student, or undergraduate degree. All this means is before graduating from university. For example, at university, an undergraduate student is currently studying but has not graduated yet. Bachelor degree is one of the levels you can study at university and is the most common level students enter into after completing high school. There are other levels above and below this too. However, a bachelor's degree is usually a person's first degree after school. A Bachelor of Engineering Honours and a Bachelor of Urban Planning Honours both include the honours year, allowing you to graduate with honours instead of completing your bachelor's and then applying for honours afterwards. Our 4-year engineering program combines rigorous theoretical learning with hands-on practical experience, ensuring you graduate fully prepared for a successful career. You'll have the opportunity to specialize in one of 10 distinct fields, all offered by New Zealand's leading engineering faculty. Beyond academics, you'll join a vibrant and supportive community with access to dedicated support services and active student networks. We're committed to helping you thrive both personally and academically. From your first year to graduation, you'll have the resources and connections you need to succeed. You'll see the program is broken into 4 parts with a practical work component of 800 hours. Part 1, which is also known as your common year, is where you will get a taster of all of our specializations. Then in Part 2, 3, and 4, you will see that your main focus area and courses will be on your chosen specialization. You will also see on this slide are our opportunities to conjoint your engineering degree, with the programs listed here on the left. A conjoint is a chance for you to study 2 degrees at once, which saves you time and money. Please refer to our website for more information on conjoints. Later in this presentation, I will go into more depth about how a conjoint in your first year could look. The Faculty of Engineering and Design has 5 engineering departments: Chemical and Materials Engineering, Engineering Science, Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering, Civil and Environmental Engineering, and Electrical, Computer, and Software Engineering. Within these 5 departments are the different engineering specializations you will be able to choose from for Part 2 of your degree and onwards. The Bachelor of Architectural Studies introduces you to the core principles of architecture, blending creative exploration with practical skill development. Through studio-based courses, real-world case studies, and forward-thinking speculative projects, you'll build a strong foundation in design and critical thinking. You'll have access to industry-standard software and fully equipped workshops, giving you the tools to transform ideas into physical models and digital representations. To become a registered architect, you'll need to follow the Bachelor of Architectural Studies with the Master of Architecture Professional, or one of our related combined master's programs. Most students progress directly into this next stage of professional training after completing the Bachelor of Architectural Studies. Bachelor of Architecture has one intake in semester 1 of every year. The world is changing rapidly, and while we can't predict the future, we can develop the skills to adapt to it. The Bachelor of Design prepares you to meet these challenges through hands-on learning, using real-world case studies and project briefs to explore making and prototyping. You examine the social, political, environmental, and practical impacts of design, working with both digital and physical technologies. Your learning is guided by experienced academics and industry professionals from across the design landscape. Like the engineering degree, you can also combine the Bachelor of Design with another area of study, in a conjoint degree, pairing it with arts, commerce, engineering honors, or science. Again, for more information on conjoints, please check out our website. Professional urban planners play a vital role in shaping the cities, towns, and communities of the future, economically, environmentally, socially, and culturally. The Bachelor of Urban Planning honors equips you with the tools to critically analyze and creatively respond to the challenges of urban development. You'll explore how the design and function of public spaces impact people's lives and learn how to create more sustainable, inclusive, and livable environments. Through a mix of theory, practical projects, and real-world case studies, you'll develop a strong foundation in planning principles, urban design, policy, and community engagement. Graduates of the Bachelor of Urban Planning Honours are eligible to apply for membership with the New Zealand Planning Institute, opening the door to professional roles in local government, consultancy, policy development, and beyond. There is only one intake per year in semester 1. Now that we've covered an overview of all of our programs, let's take a look at degree structures. Elective courses are subjects you choose based on your interest and they count towards your degree, though some programs may require you to pick from a set list. Core courses are compulsory and cover essential knowledge and skills that form the foundation of your program. Each course is worth a certain number of points, with most being worth 15 points. You're considered a full-time student if you're enrolled in 100 points or more per academic year. A typical full-time workload is 120 points, but you can possibly choose to take more. Courses and classes aren't like high school. You'll quickly notice you'll have a mixture of lectures, labs, workshops, and tutorials, though not every course will include all four. Lectures are where you get the main content, labs and/or workshops are hands-on, and tutorials are smaller discussion sessions. The academic year is divided into 2 semesters, with most students taking 4 courses per semester. Some may take 5 in one semester to complete 9 in total. We'll cover how that works shortly. Before planning your first year, double-check your course selections. If you're unsure, reach out to Student Hubs, your go-to support for advice. Book an online appointment via our website or visit in person at our city or other campus locations. Your first year of engineering, again known as the Common Year, includes a set list of compulsory core courses required to progress to Part 2 of your engineering degree. You'll also take one general education course chosen from specific approved lists. As an engineering student, you can select from the open list or the engineering, medical, and sciences science list, offering a chance to explore a subject outside of your main area of study. You may be required to take another course in place of your general education course, as specified by the program director. However, you will be notified if this is the case. Another key requirement is NGN 199. To meet the NGN 199 requirement, students are required to complete the Diagnostic English Language Needs Assessment, also known as DALNA. This is used to assess your English language skills. It is a formal prerequisite for most Part 2 courses and your specialization, and must be completed before moving into Stage 2. You'll also complete Academic Integrity A01, a self-paced online course you're automatically enrolled in once you begin enrolling into courses. It's recommended you complete it by the end of your first semester, as it's required in order to graduate. Here are a few handy tips to guide you through the enrollment process for engineering. Enrollment can feel overwhelming at first, especially with so many courses and requirements to consider, but don't worry, we've broken it down for you. You can scan the QR code on the screen and it will take you directly to the page where you'll find everything you need to get started. Whether you're enrolling for the first time or making changes later, this page will be your go-to guide. If you ever feel stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to our Student Hubs team. They can check your course selections and make sure you're on track for your degree. Your first year for architecture is made up of compulsory core courses. There is no room for variation from these courses on this slide. You are recommended to take all of these courses in your first year in order to follow the timeline and prerequisites for the following years of your degree. You will then see there is a general education component, which you will need to select the general education course from either the open list or the law and creative arts list. However, if you begin your studies with us without the academic English language requirement, also known as AELR, you will then instead be required to replace your general education course with one of the AELR courses we offer. More information on AELR is on our website. This is an overview of the enrollment process for architecture. If you're unsure about the courses you have chosen for your first year of architecture, again, please don't hesitate to contact our student hubs. Like I mentioned for the engineering enrollment process, there are tools available to help you get started, like Timetable Planner and My Program Requirements. Be sure to scan the portfolio QR code for more information on portfolio guidelines and how to enroll QR code to access the enrollment tools and information. Your design program has 3 compulsory courses in the first year, and these are all taken in your first semester. Then in semester 2, you will see there's room for choice and selection for your courses. For your elective courses, you will need to select them from a set list for the design program. You can choose your electives from 4 themes: Design and Local Community Practices, Design and Global Challenges, Design and Business, and Design and Emerging Technologies. Your general education component is a course you will need to select from either the open list or the law and creative arts list. If you did not meet the academic English language requirement, which as mentioned before is known as AELR, you will need to replace your general education course with one of our AELR courses. For more information on AELR and our courses offered are on our website. Like I have mentioned in the last 2 program enrollment processes, design is no different. You will have your 8 courses selected and from there you will enroll into them using the same process. Again, please use the QR code to take you through to the How to Enroll step-by-step page and contact Student Hubs if unsure about anything. Your first year for urban planning is planned out for you. Most of these courses are prerequisites in order for you to progress into year 2 of your degree. There is no room or option to change any of these courses as they are all recommended to be taken as a full-time student. If you are planning to do part-time studies, you will need to check with Student Hubs to help you plan how your year could look. If you check out the course outline website at the bottom of this slide, you will be able to see a detailed breakdown of your courses. Once you've completed your first semester or first year, you'll become much more confident using the enrollment system and the process will feel more straightforward as you move into your second year and beyond. With that said, no matter how confident you feel with your course selections, it's always a good idea to double check that the courses you're enrolling in align with your program requirements and keep you on track to graduate. At Waipapa Taumata, university entrance and rank score are core requirements for all undergraduate programs. Please note, there is an error in the 2026 Engineering and Design Prospectus regarding the Bachelor of Engineering Honours entry requirements. The information I'm sharing with you now is correct and up to date. If you're considering a Bachelor of Engineering, it's important to meet both the rank score and the specific subject requirements. If you're interested in the Bachelor of Design or the Bachelor of Urban Planning, the good news is that there are no additional subject requirements beyond university entrance and the rank score. With that said, we do recommend certain subjects to help set you up for success. Please take a look online at our subject guide to see which subjects we recommend. Now, if you're looking at the Bachelor of Architectural Studies, selection is based on your academic achievement and rank score, but also your portfolio and written statement. You'll submit your portfolio through the Slide Room portal once you've completed an online application for the Bachelor of Architectural Studies. You can find more details about what to include in your portfolio on the program page or through the QR code shown earlier in the enrollment process slide. If you are considering a conjoint with engineering or design, please ensure you meet the rank score subject requirements and any additional entry requirements for both programs. Lastly, if you do not meet all of the listed requirements, we still encourage you to apply. Your application will be considered, but meeting all requirements will give you the best chance of gaining admission. For conjoints, I have chosen to use an engineering conjoint example. You've got set courses that need to be done in part 1 to stay on track for specialization selection moving into part 2. Planning matters because courses are only offered in certain semesters, and changing things around can cause delay in meeting prerequisites. You'll also need to take the Waipapa Taumata WTR course either in the engineering one or the WTR one from your other degree. For conjoints, some students take 9 courses a year, 4 in semester 1, 5 in semester 2, while others stick to 8 and add 1 in summer school. It's a good idea to start with 4 courses in your semester to settle in. If that goes well, you can think about adding an extra course in semester 2. Engineering courses come first, and they are the priority to keep everything on track. In all of the first year structures, you would have seen the course Waipapa Taumata, also known as WTR. This is a course designed to give you a solid foundation in 3 important areas: Te Tiriti or Waitangi, different knowledge systems including indigenous, scientific, and creative, and the importance of place and how it connects to people, Te Tiriti, and these knowledge systems. What makes this course really valuable is that everything is taught through the lens of engineering, design, planning, and architecture. So you're learning content that's not only meaningful now, but will also be relevant to your future as a professional in the built environment. The course is delivered in a blended format. You'll complete online, self-paced activities in Canvas, things like videos, lectures, readings, and quizzes. Then each week you'll build on that learning through in-person studios and workshops, where you can discuss ideas and connect with teaching staff, grad assistants, and your classmates. This slide addresses some of the biggest concerns students face in their first year and how to tackle them. Making the most of university. Say yes to opportunities, especially in your first year. Try different clubs, events, or anything that sparks your interest. At the same time, start building good study habits, like using a planner or a time management app. Don't wait until exam week to get organized. If you're worried about making friends, you're not alone. Everyone is in the same boat. O-Week is the perfect time to explore clubs and meet people. There's something for everyone, and joining even one club can open the door to a whole new group of friends. If you're nervous about keeping up with your studies, first year can be a big step up, but you're not expected to know everything. Lecturers and tutors will walk you through it, and help centers are a great resource, not just for getting help, but also for finding study groups and connecting with others. We're proud to offer a range of support and development opportunities for our students. For our Māori and Pacific students, we have Tuakana, a mentoring program led by senior students offering academic and pastoral support. SPICE, a student-led engineering group with over 200 members focused on building community and professional growth. Then we have Apollo, a free annual calculus support program designed to boost confidence and understanding in advanced topics. We also champion inclusion and diversity through Women in Engineering, supporting and empowering female students from Year 11 right through to university and beyond. Across the board, we offer clubs, networks, and career development services to help engineering and design students grow their skills, build connections, and explore opportunities in the field. To sum things up, there's plenty of support available, from enrollment tools to student networks, all designed to help you settle in and succeed. If you ever have questions or need guidance, as I have consistently mentioned throughout this video presentation, is to contact the student hubs. They're here to help with anything from course planning to student life. And just a quick reminder, the application deadlines is the 8th of December 2025. Stay in the loop with us. We'll be sending relevant updates throughout your secondary school journey. Whether you're in Year 10 or Year 13, our goal is to make sure your experience is tailored and meaningful to you. You'll receive information about scholarships, accommodation, key dates, events, and much more. We encourage you to make the decision that feels right for you. If you've chosen Waipapa Taumata as your next step, we're so excited to welcome you into our community. No matter which path you choose, we wish you all the best and every success in your remaining secondary school journey.